Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll talk about how you can install Plotagon on Windows. First of all, you have to go to this website. I'll give this link in the description as well. And it will take you to this page. Now just accept this if you see this and then click download. And your setup will start downloading. Now let's just wait for the setup to download. Now the setup has been downloaded. I'll open up the setup. Now here you have to select the location where you want to save your setup. I'll keep the default location and then I'll agree to the license and click install. Now it will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to the device, select yes, and the setup will start installing. Now you can see that the setup has been successfully installed. I'll just finish this and you can see that this has already been installed. Now I will launch this. This is the first time, so it's preparing the Plotagon magic. And now all you have to do is just sign in or sign up with your email and then you can start using it in your Windows. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for further updates. I'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Goodbye.